These text reminders are really important, and they're great, they're awesome, they're convenient, and I mean that's the future. On-demand video, text messages, and like social media. Like, hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and when it comes to the doTERRA LRP or Loyalty Rewards Program, there's actually a cool little feature. I don't know if you know about it. It came out relatively recently, at the time of this video, and it's really just a text reminder. So you get a little text update when your order's coming up and then when your order ships out. And so that's a really nice feature, and you can get like basically like, oh snap, my order's about to go, okay, cool. And then I can go in there and change it if you need to, and then once it ships out you get another notification. The directions on how to do that is really simple. I'll have all the exact details in the description below, so you can kind of like check the step by step. But basically, once you become a doTERRA Wellness Advocate or Wholesale member, and you just go to basically your settings and your account profile, and then you just go to notifications, and then you can there's a button there you can just select for like text notifications. And so it's really easy. Again, I'll have all the directions below, but it's a nice little feature that if you're just like, oh, I don't know when my order is going to ship out, and I don't know, can I get a notification when it has shipped out, those two little messages are nice. And then you could also opt in obviously for emails too. And so I just get both, because I feel like you can't over communicate, and it's really nice to know like when my order is going out, so I can go in there. And one of the strategies I like to do is throughout the month, as I'm using up oils, I just create like a little wish list. I'm just like, here's what I want next month based on what I'm getting low of or what I ran out, and I might make like a little list or something, put it on a dry erase board or piece of paper, or it just kind of depends. And then I'll just go into my back office and just update my cart, and I'll just add those items and the quantities and stuff like that. And so I just update stuff throughout the month, maybe like 2 or 3 times, because I like to, when I run out of stuff, it's best to not run out of stuff, right? Especially if I need something like a peppermint or a lemon or lifelong vitality. And sometimes I'll double up on certain stuff, so that actually that's one strategy I just started doing, is like for the enzymes specifically and the V-Shake, the protein powder, like I just got an extra one of those last month, so that way I have kind of like a little safety stock of an extra one, and so that the next month I just order one, but I always have one in the background. So it's like I got 2 of each, but I'm only, when I run out of one, I got the other one, right where I need it. Because the enzymes, I eat probably maybe 60 to 80% raw plant foods, but there is a decent amount of percent that is actually cooked. Actually, it's probably closer to like 50% cooked. And anyways, what I'm trying to say is enzymes are important. I got another video on that, but anyways, these text reminders are really important. And they're great, they're awesome, they're convenient, and I mean that's the future. On-demand video, text messages, and like social media, like that's what's up. Okay, cool. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and most importantly, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Again, a lot of good stuff down there. Okay, cool. All right, we'll see you soon.